What if your child could hold their feelings? For many kids, talking about emotions is hard, and showing them can be even harder. SoDog helps make it easier. Meet Sad and Bully, two core dragons representing introverted and extroverted emotions. Each one transforms into 5 unique feelings when it's all just too much. When the shadows feel too big. Yuck. No thanks. Everyone's looking, or are they? Finally, a calm breath. Fire-breathing feelings. Pure wiggle-tail delight. You've got my wing. What if something great is coming? I've got this. Each emotion comes from a mystery egg, so kids can choose when to hold a feeling or gently let it rest. And guiding them through it all? SoDog, the soft puppy with a listening heart. With the tales of emotion, your child won't just feel. They'll learn to name, hold, and understand every feeling. Only 2,000 collector's sets. Support the Indiegogo campaign today and bring feelings home.